So ladies, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the products that I discovered in 2022, which I'm definitely keeping in my routine for 2023. So if you would be interested in knowing what those products are, then please just keep on watching.
Stay in the moment, stay in the moment with me. You moment, you moment with me.
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Stellan Harris, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some products that I discovered in 2022 that are now part of my skincare routine, and I definitely can see myself doing without moving forward. So these are the products that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. I just put it in this little cute basket. So I'm just going to be going through them and sharing with you guys some of the gems that I discovered in 2022. So let's get into it. The first product that I want to touch on, and I have it in the tester size because I wasn't too sure about it. I heard a lot of amazing review on this Paulas Choice BHA liquid exfoliant, but I was a little skeptic, so I just went ahead and got the tester bottle of this, but I'm definitely gonna be purchasing the full size. So this is a liquid exfoliant, and it has salicylic acid in it as well. So it says that it's for all skin type. It helps to exfoliate the skin without you having to like really physically scrub it. It's a liquid exfoliant, so it comes in a liquid form, and it gently exfoliates the skin. So if you're suffering from acne, if you have like, you know, big pores, it helps to kind of refine the pores, and overall this just makes my skin like glow. I really noticed since that I've started using this, the texture of my skin is so much how do I say it? The texture of my skin is just so much smoother after I started using this and introduced it to my skincare routine. So this is one of the products that I've added into my skincare routine, and I think it has made a huge difference in my skin texture and overall my skin appearance after using this product. So I use the Paulas Choice BHA exfoliants twice a week. I know it says on the bottle that you can use it daily, but I won't recommend that, especially if you're just introducing it into your skincare routine. Try to use it at least once a week to see how your face and your skin reacts to it, and then you can gradually start building it up. So for now, I'm using it twice a week to really go in there and clean out my pores. So the next product that I've introduced into my skincare routine is this Paulas Choice Pore Reducing Toner with Niasinamide, and it says that it's for oily combination skin. So my skin is a bit on the, it's like normal to combination. So in my T-zone area, I do tend to get a little bit oily, but overall I would say my skin is normal. So this is a pore reducing toner, so it helps to minimize the pores. It also had niacinamide in it. I've never been big on toners in my skincare routine, so I really was on a hunt to find like a good toner that I could incorporate into my skincare regimen. So after washing my face off, I go in with this toner. So what it does, it helps to kind of balance the skin out. The niacinamide that is in it helps to kind of clear the skin. So if you're suffering from hyperpigmentation, niacinamide is going to help with that and really even out the skin. So I've really been loving this toner from Paulas Choice, and I definitely think that it's going to be a keeper in my skincare routine. So if you watch one of my skincare videos, you would know that my staple cleansing balm is the Clinique's Take the Day Off, but I've heard a lot of girls raving about this product. This is the Elemis Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm, Hydrating Cleansing Balm, it says. And I have fallen in love with this product as well. So I use this mainly on the days that I, you know, have like a full face of makeup. So tonight when I'm taking off this bead, I will go in with this product because I feel it really goes in and break down the makeup. It is a bit oily. It feels like it's oily, but it's not. I don't know how to describe the consistency of it. So when you put it on, you will feel like it's oily, but once you rinse it off with water, there's no residue or anything that's left over. And it also has collagen, Pro-Collagen in it, so which is also really good for the skin. It helps to make it more plumpier. And overall, I would say it's recommended to use it on the face when it's dry. So when your face is dry with makeup on it, also put it on your neck and your décolleté, and of course keep out of your eyes area. So I'm falling in love with this Elemis product. I must say it is a bit on the pricier side, but it is definitely worth your investment. So if you're looking for a cleansing balm, or you're not doing the two-step cleansing method yet, please get onto it. It really helps to really take off that makeup. So the first step will be using the balm, then going in with your cleansers. So highly recommend this cleansing balm by Elemis. It's definitely a keeper in my skincare. So the next product is this hyaluronic acid by Rituals. So if you live in the Netherlands, you will know the store Rituals, where they sell like diffusers, candles. They're basically known for their home items, but they also carry like skincare line. So I recently stumbled across this Ritual Namaste line, and I've picked up this hyaluronic acid skin hydrator. So what this does is kind of absorbs the moisture, so you would use this before you go in with your serum, and it just helps to really you know, suck in the moisture from that product and really hydrate the skin. It also helps the skin to, you know, appear more youthful, more plumpier, and that's definitely what my skin has been doing. So I really love this product. There is barely nothing in there, just a little drop. It also has a really cute packaging, which I really like. It is frosted glass. Be careful with this, because anytime this falls, I'm like I hope it doesn't break and shatter. But so be careful and mindful with that. It does have this little droplet which you can use. So when you're applying that, just take a bit, don't put it in contact with your hands. You can either just, you know, put it directly on the face without touching it, or put it in your hands and then rub it in, and then you would go in with your serum. So really been loving this hyaluronic acid from Rituals Namaste. I love it. So the next product is this Roche Posay, and pardon me if I butchered the name, Roche Posay. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's French. Pardon my French. Roche Posay sunscreen with the factor 50+. So I've heard a lot of amazing review about this product, so I thought I would give it a try, and so it has been the best for me. So this sunscreen, what it does, of course we should all be using sunscreen. Even in the winter time, we need to use sunscreen to protect our skin. If you have hyperpigmentation, the sun is actually only going to emphasize and make those dark spots darker. So if you don't have SPF in your skincare routine, please pause this video, go online, go to a shop, call a consultant, a beauty consultant, do whatever you have to do, but get your hands on SPF. Even as a black girl, you need it. This is really gonna help you out. It's gonna protect you, of course, from the UV ray of the sun, but also really protect your skin from, you know, all the stuff that we got going on outside. So I've been loving this. It is in a liquid form, so you really need to kind of shake it, and I didn't expect it to be this runny. I'll just show you. It is a bit runny, so you need to shake it really good, because then that's when it gets a bit thicker. So make sure to shake it before you start using it. And yeah, it's just really been loving that, and it gives you also a nice glow once you apply it. It doesn't leave like that white cast or blue film, you know, that white cast that sunscreen usually leave on your face. This is the invisible fluid, so you won't see anything. It doesn't leave any residue. After this, I just go ahead and apply my makeup, and I really love this product. So I'm almost running out of it. It's also, this video could have been like an empty video because it's almost empty. That's how much I love it. I'm definitely gonna be sticking to it, adding this to my skincare routine. It is gonna be one of my staples. I went ahead and got myself a Fenty Butta, what it called, Butta drop. Okay, so when I was in Paris last year around my anniversary, I went ahead and picked up this from Sephora. So as you guys know, in the Netherlands, we do not have Sephora. We used to actually have Sephora, but they left the country some years ago. Unfortunately, that was before the whole really Sephora hype. So yeah, so when I was in Paris, in France, I picked up this Fenty Butta drop, and let me show you guys something. Let me look. It is completely, I'm almost out of it. There's like barely nothing in here. This product, yes girl, yes, you need this product. I have been over the moon. Like the sheen, the gloss, the skin is just gonna be like on a different level with this product. So me and my bestie went ahead and picked this up, and we were just, we've been glistening. We've been glistening, okay? So I need to get myself another one. It's really good that it has like a refill system in it. So basically you can just order the refill and get yourself some more product. So I'm definitely gonna be doing that because it just gives you like that nice glow on the body. So this is a body cream, a body butter. If you don't know about it, Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin, Butter Drop are really a staple of mine. So these are all the skincare products that I've discovered in 2022 that I purchased. I finally hopped on the bandwagon and thought I would give it a try, and I have been loving them. Some of them are gonna be my staple. They're gonna be my ride or die. So just to give you guys a little bit of bonus, because I have to give you guys the full tea, bonus product actually is this one. So this is a facial steamer. Everyone needs a facial steamer. If you like into skincare, you want to have that flawless face, you want your pores to be nice, you need to get yourself a facial steamer. This product, I cannot emphasize what it does. Like after like 1 or 2 days of me steaming my face, the skin be skinning. The skin be skinning, okay? So I went ahead and ordered this online on Look Fantastic here in the Netherlands. So in case you're interested, I'm gonna link it down below so you can purchase it. It is really a nice product. So you will just put the water here. So be sure to put distilled water. So you don't want to be putting like your regular tap water in this. Get distilled water. You can get it from any filling station. So yeah, you just put that in here, wait a minute. I think it takes like up to 2 or 3 minutes. The steam will start coming out and you just have a little, you know, a little me time. I will go in with my steamer before I start my skincare routine. So definitely a must have. And this is what I've really also helped the texture, the overall texture of my skin. It has just been amazing. So definitely get your hands on a facial steamer if you do not have it already. Okay, so all right ladies, those are all the products that I've introduced into my skincare. So it might seem a lot, but I am going to be doing a skincare or a morning skincare routine where I share with you guys how I use these products, in which order. Comment down below if you've used one of these products before and what are your experience. I know my girl Val, she put me on the BHA liquid exfoliant. Thank you so much for recommending that. I really appreciate it, because I think out of all of the products that I've mentioned today, that BHA Paulas Choice BHA exfoliant, it's like top tier. If you don't have that product, please do get it. Make sure to patch test it as well before you start using it, because some people can be sensitive to like liquid exfoliants, but to me it's the GOAT. It's the GOAT, okay? So guys, that's all I have for you guys today on today's video. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.